Hello Melton Nation, I am Marilyn and I am live today from our Tulsa terminal for our next edition of Melton 101. I have a very special guest with me today, Bradley Bournes. He is our outside repair and warranty supervisor, and he is going to tell you all about the great things about our wonderful outside repair department.
Hey, good afternoon. I hope you're all doing well today. Try to stay hydrated and cool out there and stay safe on the roads. I know it's hot. So today's going to be a quick Outside Repair 101 video to kind of explain our departmental goals and what we do. We're different than many other trucking companies in that all of our breakdowns and calls are handled in-house. We don't ever send you to a third-party company or a call center. Our department's very experienced. We have a lot of tenured employees, many who used to be drivers, so we can answer any questions that you have about anything over the road. So our mission and our first priority is to handle any mechanical or equipment issues that you may have over the road. We strive to answer those as quickly as possible, and we have very high performance standards. We're available from 5 a.m. to 11 p.m. Monday through Friday, and 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. on the weekends. Once we leave, our phones and our breakdown messages roll over to extended coverage so that you're not just sitting all night waiting on a response. So as I said, as a department, we have very high goals, departmental and individual, and our primary means of communication are through Qualcomm messages. Our goal is to respond to any Qualcomm message in 10 minutes or less, and we're successful in hitting that goal about 94% of the time. Our next preferred method of communication is by phone, and this is especially useful for more detailed issues breakdowns that require more conversation. We strive to answer all calls in under 2 minutes, and we're successful at hitting that goal in 96% of the time. Both of these are very high standards by the industry. So if any of you all would like to drop in and see us anytime, we're on the second floor of the shop. Feel free to drop in and see us. Anyone in the shop can direct you to our door. And thank you guys for watching today. We'll see you next week.